Today in crypto. In glad tidings for an orange Christmas, Bitcoin, BTC, supply is drying up to lows not seen for years. In a recent tweet by CryptoRank, just 6.3% of the total Bitcoin supply, or 1.3 million BTC, is held on cryptocurrency exchanges. The decreasing supply is nothing new, trending down since the Bitcoin halving in 2020 when the BTC block reward was cut in two. BTC availability on exchanges followed suit, slowly trending down over the past year. Exchange wallets accounted for 9.5% of the BTC supply in October 2020, just before the 2020 Christmas all-time highs, and 7.3% in July this year. The 6.3% December figure is the lowest recorded in 2021. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Binance founder and CEO, CZ answers FAQ by many crypto inventors. He replies in a lengthy article explaining the rudiments of creating tokens. CZ also talked about the benefits of issuing the coin. Binance founder and CEO, Changpeng Zhao, simply known as CZ, took out time to answer a frequently asked question, FAQ, by many crypto inventors: one coin to rule them all or millions of coins? CZ chose the latter, supported by a lengthy article explaining the rudiments of creating tokens, and the benefits of issuing the coin. He says issuing a new coin can make an inventor some money from the initial sale, if they have credibility. However, the inventor can only get probably less than 0.1% of the total value. Moreover, CZ affirms that the real benefit of issuing a coin is that it creates a whole new ecosystem, from user interactions to user retention and development of the ecosystem. He warns that it cannot be done using company equity, securities, or fiat currencies, or even using Bitcoin. This implies that you have to create your own coin for it to work. Furthermore, he believes that people will continue to create new tokens for their project and there will be millions of tokens. Some will succeed and some will fail. CZ advises that people should not create a token until they have product market fit. This means tokens should be an acceleration mechanism after they have built a product that people want. CZ also advises that crypto inventors should talk to Binance Labs before finalizing their plans, and if the project is attractive, the Binance Labs team can review the token design. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Telegram co-founder and CEO Pavel Durov has expressed excitement about the Telegram Open Network (TON) technology still developing after Telegram officially abandoned the project last year. "I'm proud that the technology we created is alive and evolving. When it comes to scalability and speed, TON is still years ahead of everything else in the blockchain realm," Durov said in a Telegram post on Thursday. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. 6.3% of total Bitcoin supply is left on exchange wallets, according to a new analysis by CryptoRank. In glad tidings for an orange Christmas, Bitcoin, BTC, supply is drying up to lows not seen for years. In a recent tweet by CryptoRank, just 6.3% of the total Bitcoin supply, or 1.3 million BTC, is held on cryptocurrency exchanges. The decreasing supply is nothing new, trending down since the Bitcoin halving in 2020 when the BTC block reward was cut in two. BTC availability on exchanges followed suit, slowly trending down over the past year. Exchange wallets accounted for 9.5% of the BTC supply in October 2020, just before the 2020 Christmas all-time highs, and 7.3% in July this year. The 6.3% December figure is the lowest recorded in 2021. Interestingly, Coinbase's BTC wallet dominance is also slipping. The American exchange used to custody more BTC than all other exchanges combined. Its dominance has slipped from 52% to 65% over the past year. The news follows a swath of positive price metrics that dovetail the upward price action of Bitcoin. Fiercely, the illiquid BTC supply has iced over for the winter, as the BTC supply going from a liquid to an illiquid state is now 100,000 BTC per month. In essence, more BTC is locked away into cold storage than the amount being mined. Glassnode, the on-chain analytics company, shared further bullish news regarding exchange behavior. The 7-day moving average for BTC's exchange and flow volume just reached a 5-month low of 978,452 BTC and has been trending down week on week. The exchange supply shortage may continue with less and less BTC sent to exchanges. Furthermore, it's important to note that many retail investors and some companies store their BTC on exchanges, indicating that the illiquid BTC may be even lower. Some BTC hodlers would leave the custody of their keys to exchanges instead of taking their BTC offline into cold storage. Related, Bitcoin needs to clear $51,000 to reduce the chance of new sell-off from BTC whales. Unsurprisingly, Binance CEO and co-founder Changpeng Zhao has encouraged the hot wallet practice, despite the best efforts of Bitcoiners like Andreas Antonopoulos ensuring "not your keys, not your Bitcoin" is part of everyday BTC mantra. As a result, while 1.3 million BTC rests on exchanges, they may not be circulating, and may in fact contribute to the illiquid supply. Nonetheless, despite calls for a Santa rally off the back of bullish analytics, the bears are not yet out of the woods. A tweet by Bull Run Invest using Glassnode data shows that 24.6% of all BTC supply is sitting above the price of $47,000. It suggests that roughly a quarter of the BTC bought at those price levels are currently underwater. If BTC fails to make progress into the 50s, there may be fewer presents under the tree tomorrow. Baidu's metaverse app will not support digital currencies or NFTs despite its focus on digital infrastructure, VP said. The Chinese internet giant Baidu doesn't expect to fully launch its Zirang metaverse app soon despite the app's initial debut on Monday, according to a senior executive. Baidu Vice President Ma Jie believes that it is still -6 years to full Zirang's launch, CNBC reported on Thursday. He noted that the development of the app started in December 2020. Ma spoke of Create 2021, Baidu's upcoming annual developers event, which the company promotes as the first Chinese conference to be hosted in a metaverse space through Zirang. The app will reportedly handle up to 100,000 virtual members interacting with each other using metaverse avatars at the 3-day conference starting on Monday. The exec noted that Baidu intends to create an open-source platform targeting metaverse developers, providing a building infrastructure in the virtual world. Despite focusing on digital infrastructure, Baidu's metaverse app will not support digital currencies or trading assets related to virtual property, Ma said. That is despite Zirang using underlying technologies that are similar to blockchain, he added. The plan goes in line with China's renewed ban on cryptocurrencies announced in September 2021. One of the biggest internet search engine companies in China, Baidu officially joined the metaverse industry by applying for a trademark MetaApp in October 2021. The firm then released its first metaverse app Zirang, translated as the Land of Hope, with some of the first Zirangs virtual apparently becoming available for users as of early November. Related, Chinese companies embark on a metaverse trademark race. Baidu is not the only company in China to aggressively develop metaverse technology, as local giants like Tencent and Alibaba have been working on their metaverse-related projects. In early November, the China Institutes of Contemporary International Relations, a think tank affiliated with China's Ministry of State Security, officially warned about national security risks of the metaverse, citing potential political and social issues. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.